Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make refreshing homemade lemonade step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need about 6 to 8 fresh lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 4 cups of cold water. For equipment, grab a large pitcher, a reliable citrus juicer, and a sturdy stirring spoon. This simple recipe will yield approximately 6 delightful servings, perfect for sharing or enjoying yourself. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the lemons. Begin by thoroughly washing about 6 to 8 medium-sized lemons. Next, carefully cut each lemon in half, making them ready for juicing. Using your citrus juicer, extract approximately 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. This amount ensures a perfectly balanced tartness in your final lemonade. Don't worry if it's a little more or less, you can always adjust later. Next, we'll create a simple syrup, which is key to dissolving the sugar smoothly without a grainy texture. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring continuously until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. Once dissolved, remove it from the heat and let the simple syrup cool down entirely. This cooling step is crucial for the best lemonade flavor. Finally, it's time to bring all our delicious components together. Pour the completely cooled simple syrup and your fresh lemon juice into a large pitcher. Now, add 3 cups of cold water to the mixture. Give everything a good, thorough stir to ensure all ingredients are well combined. Taste your lemonade and adjust the sweetness or tartness by adding more water or a touch more syrup if desired. Serve your perfectly refreshing lemonade over ice, perhaps with a lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.